Hey, hi friend, this is Tapas and welcome to this video. So in this video we will learn a very powerful tool inside Microsoft Excel, that is left and find. So if you, I think if you think that, oh, I know left and find, if you know it separately, like how to use left only, how to use find only, as of now I think you know the how to use left only, how to use find only, that is okay. But how to use left function with the find keyword, with the find function? So this is one of the super powerful tool, and I will show you how we can use it. It will reduce our working time, we can deliver more work in a less time, and it will make us super productive. Okay, so if we use only left function, sometimes it may not give you the right answer, because based on your expectation, I will show you how it is not correct sometimes. But sometimes if you use that text left function as well as the find function, it will produce a perfect answer, depends on based on your expectation, it will fulfill your expectation. Okay, so I will show you how we can use this super powerful tool in Microsoft Excel, super powerful function in Microsoft Excel, so that we can do our lot of work in a less time, and we can make ourselves super productive. Okay, so here I have taken one data, it's a dummy data again. I have taken only the city name. So suppose you have a large data. Okay, so now I just want to make you understand how this work. Okay, so you can implement this function and all these things for your data. Okay, so now here is the thing. I have taken some city name. I think I have 20 or 30, 21 city, 20 cities names are here. Anyway, so what I will do is, if I use, suppose I need only the city name. Here it is like New Delhi, comma DL. The code is also there, so I don't need the code, I need only the city name, New Delhi. So what I will do is, if I use, suppose if you are thinking, okay, I will use the left function. Okay, let's see how left function, only left function work. So here I will provide left. Okay, now I will provide tab or open parenthesis, anything you can do. Now it is asking for the text. Okay, so now it is asking for the text, so I will manually I can select A2, or what I can do is I can press the left arrow, so it will go to the A2 itself, A2 row itself. Okay, so now I will provide the comma. Now it is asking number of characters, how many numbers I want, how many numbers or characters I want from the left. So again, so before that, let me tell you what are the characters. Characters means it may be a alphabet, it may be a number, it may be a symbol as well, it may be a page as well. Okay, so now for this case, in 1 2 3, here is one page, right? So it will be also one character. So 3 4, then 5 6 7 8 9. So 9 characters from the left I want, so I will write 9, and then I can press enter, or I can close the parenthesis. Okay, so now I will press enter. Now see, it has come correctly, right? But what about others? If I go New Delhi and then if I do this, so see how it's coming. So for New Delhi it is correct, but for Mumbai has come, then the comma has come, then the aim also, because 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, it has delivered the 9 characters. It doesn't care that whether the comma is there or any other phase is there. It will not calculate, because this is a system, right? So you need to educate that system that I don't want like that way. Okay, so now for Bengaluru it is correct, for Chennai it is again the comma is there, Kolkata, Hyderabad is correct, but see the Pune also, Pune, then comma, and the code also, the short code or state code also come. Okay, code also came. So the thing is, I don't need this report like this way, correct? Same for you will not like this report like this way. Okay, so you want only the city name. So for this purpose, what we can do is, we can use left function as well as find function. So I will show you how we can use that, so that we can reduce our working time, and we can make us super productive. So here I will Control Shift plus, so I will insert a column here. Now what I will do is, I will do the almost same thing. Equal, I will tell Excel that we are going to start a formula. So I am going to give you a formula. So here now I will press a left, then tab or open parenthesis. Now it is asking for text. So I will again I will press the down arrow, left arrow here. Now I will provide comma. Okay, so now it is asking number of characters. So instead of number of characters, I will not provide the number of characters, because then it's delivering the wrong data, right? It is not wrong, but I am providing the wrong insight, so I will not get the exact result. So what I will do is, instead of number of characters, what I will do, I will press the another function, that is find. Again, you can do it open parenthesis or tab. Okay, now it is asking find text. What I will find, Excel is asking that what I will find. So you find the comma. I will tell that Microsoft Excel that you find comma, and then you provide the whatever there is left side, you will deliver that report. You will deliver that whatever is there. So find, and I told already that whenever we will enter something like in a text or in a symbol, we need to keep it inside the quotation. Okay, so now quotation, then what I want comma. From comma, how many characters are there in the left side, you will provide all the details. So now I will provide again I will close the quotation. So this is find this comma. Then what will happen? Then it is asking within text where Excel will get that comma. So again I will select my data. My data is like A2, right? So I will press left, manually you can do it, otherwise left arrow, I will go to A2. So now I have given this. Okay, now see, after providing within text, there is one bracket is there, and it is asking start number asking. So this is optional. Whenever this kind of quotation is there na, so that means it is optional. We can provide it, we may not provide it, anyway it will work. So now what I will do is, I will close the parenthesis, or I will provide tab only, so it will work for me. So double quote, because twice we use the open parenthesis, so we need to close it. Now see, I will press enter and see how it works. So it will find the comma, and before comma, how many characters are there. I did not specifically, I did not mention that how many characters I want. I just injected, I just told that till comma, how many characters are there, you will deliver all the character. That is what. So now what I will do, I will now see how it is coming. Is there any extra? Before comma, whatever we have, so it will deliver all the details. New Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Pune, Jaipur, Ahmedabad, Chandigarh, Lucknow, Kochi, Bhopal, all this are in no extra. I think after comma nothing is there, because that is why what we wanted, right? So now there is also one problem. The problem is, suppose your desired outcome was only the city name, not the comma, because who needs the comma? Only the city name you want, right? So in this case also we can modify one thing. How? See, I will select this, Control Shift plus, I will insert one. Manually you can do it just by clicking right click, and you can insert it, but I mostly I use the shortcut. So Control Shift plus, that means you are inserting a column or inserting a row. So now what I will do is, I will do the almost same thing what I did for this for getting this city name only. So what I will do is equal left tab, then I will select my text, comma, then I will write find, then tab or open parenthesis, what Excel will find, quotation, comma, quotation close, comma, then now where this comma the Excel will get. So again A2 I will select, I will close it, and now what I will do is, because I don't need this comma, right? I don't need this comma, I need only the city name. So what I will do is minus 1 I will write, and now I can tab it, I can enter it. No, sorry, I will not tab it, I will enter it, or I will close the one open parenthesis is there, so I will close by one close parenthesis. Okay, or I can press the enter simply. So now see how it happens. Now see, only New Delhi is there. For the other city, will it work? Let me check. Yes, it is. Only the city name: New Delhi, Mumbai, Bengaluru, Chennai, Kolkata, Hyderabad, Pune, all this. There is no comma. So I think you have understood how we can use the left function with the find function, so that we can get a professional standard answer based on our desired outcome. Okay, so it will reduce our load of time, it will make us super productive as well. So you have got it. The first, only left may not be work for you, some of most of the cases. Okay, only left may not work for you. Even if you use left and find function, there also one problem we have identified, that we wanted to remove the comma. So that is what we did. How we did, just pressing -1, we remove the comma itself, and now we have got the the desired perfect answer. We wanted to get only the city name, so this is how the fresh city name we have got, without any comma, without any after comma, any short state code name, or any kind of name. We have got the desired response from Excel. So this is how we can use left and find function, and we can reduce our working time, we can deliver more work in a less time, and we can make us super productive. Okay, so you use it for your data, and let me know if you are facing any challenges. I will try to help you. Okay, so yeah, so that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.